Box 96. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a hand to Mr. Andrew Pinsaman of Box 1996.
Hello?
Like dedicate this song to my ate. Pipili ko saan ka mga para sa ito. Message of love, and sends those who hear to bring the message to everyone. Your voice loud and clear. Let us tell the world of His love, the greatest love the world has known. Search the world for those who have walked astray, and lead them home. Fill the world's darkest corners with His light from up above. Walk every step, every mile, every road, and tell the world of His love. For God so loved the world, He gave us His only Son. Jesus Christ our Savior, His most precious one. He has sent us His message of love, and sends those who hear to bring the message to everyone. It was loud and clear. Let us tell the world of His love, the greatest love the world has known. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only daughter. Search the world for those who have walked astray, and lead them home. Fill the world's darkest corners with His light from up above. Walk every step, every mile, every road, and tell the world of His love. Tell the world of His love. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat. 50 years of presence. Give it a beat. Kasi nga, utang natin sa mga sisters na andyan. Kumbaga sa song pa nga na Honor Society, yung Where Are You Now? If it wasn't for you, I would never be who I am. Diba? Give me the beat right now. Alright. To the tune of Banyo Queen. I've just changed the lyrics of the song. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. My name is Andrew B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ako'y nasa NDP. Alas 7 ng gabi. Nakilala ko tuloy na makagandang babae. Tinanong ko siya anong pangalan niya. Sabi niya, hey Andrew, my name is Sister Anna. Nako naman ang dami nila lahat sila pulos mga magaganda. Tinanong ko sila kung ano ba ang celebration. 50 years daw nila dito ngayon. So when the night has come, alright, ang daming napasigaw. Lahat ay gustong kumanta at gustong sumayaw. 50 years, 50 years. Ako'y inambita ni Sir Aldrin. Sabi niya, Andrew, ano bang sasabihin? Sabi ko, simple lang ang aking alam para sa inyo, sisters. Big thank you lang. Thank you so much.
Andrew, what a nice number!
A nice
Magaling talaga yan si Andrew, nakaka-estudyante pa. Kahit one time, parang napalo ko yan siya yung bato ng drum. Kasi nakatago na mag-practice ng cheering for cheering day. Noon kasi 4A, i-partner sa 1B. Usually yung 3A, 4A, 40 yan ang babae, lalaki dyan, 12 lang, maganda na lang may 15. Tatago pa yan mga lalaki, mga officers pa, so minsan napalo pa yan yung bato ng drum. Sorry, Andrew. Okay, that's history again. Now, the next Ariel.
Hey, this one
Year
is,
2K.
let's witness the performance of Ikada 2000.